So today I'm going to be making some rear fairings. We're going to be doing this, the right and the left side. I have the originals that are smashed to pieces, but I'm going to cut this nice and clean here, and then I'll do the same on this one, because I really want to save these brackets, these mounting brackets. I've got some foam blocks, some floral foam. We're going to stick all this together around here. You'll see what we're going to do. We'll stick it all around here and then start carving it. I don't know how well this is going to go. It's new to me. So I got this side cut now, same as that side. I've just tie wrapped this onto the frame to hold it where it should be, so then we can put our block up to it. Tie wrap this other side on and then we'll get going. So I've got that cut, got them both cut. I've tie wrapped them on either side. I've tie wrapped the seat down just to hold everything where it should be. So I've cut this one to the shape of the seat. So I'm going to get that front shape, and because it's so soft it just pushes down onto any brackets or anything like that. So it's actually really easy to work with this stuff. So I'll just keep going and do the whole bike. Well, the whole back end, sorry. So this is what we've got so far. So I'll start carving and we'll see how this goes. Looks bizarre right now. Right, so basically I carved all the foam whilst it was on the bike. Now we've got a basic outline of the back of the bike. So I will fiberglass this now, and I'll try and film some of it, but it's just really messy stuff is fiberglass and it goes off pretty quick, so I'll see what I can do with it. So I've got one layer of fiberglass over it. Now I just need to let that set. I'll leave that overnight. Tomorrow I will give it another going over. It's just too tacky at the minute to stick any more to. It just keeps pulling off each other. So this is it fiberglassed, and it is hard to do. What a ball ache fiberglass is to work with. So what I'm going to do now is flip this over and then pull all this out till we've got just the shell left. There it is, empty shell. There it all just needs sanding, filling, find that shape that we want. Also I need to attach the legs of the fairings to the stone.